cutting-edge facility, we produce HVAC systems that meet the highest standards of performance. These units are a testament to UAE craftsmanship, designed for excellence in any environment. In Riyadh Al Reed, we delivered 14 Rheem package units with 25-ton capacity to Body Masters Gym, ensuring superior air conditioning for their operations. In Al Khobar, we successfully installed 20 Rheem package units, each with a 30-ton capacity for Nesto hypermarket, ensuring optimal cooling in a large retail environment. In Riyadh, we delivered 6 Rheem package units with a 25-ton capacity model EMRHR 300 to a prestigious wedding hall, ensuring optimal climate control for grand celebrations. In Al Khobar, 3 Rheem package units with a 25-ton capacity model EMRHR 300 were delivered to Al Rehab Palace Restaurant, enhancing the dining experience with premium air conditioning solutions. In Makkah, we supplied 8 Rheem package units with a 30-ton capacity model EMRHR 360 and 3 additional units with a 25-ton capacity model EMRHR 300 to Sharia Mall, supporting a comfortable shopping environment for all visitors. Reaffirming our commitment to KSA's Vision 2030, driving transformation and growth in the region.